So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use the Kali Linux alongside the Windows. That means you can use two different platforms on one laptop. In order to do it, just simply open any of the browser, search for Oracle Virtual Box right there, and install the first. Click on this option and download the Virtual Box first. Then click on Kali Virtual Box download, and then download this Get Kali from here only. Click on Get Kali, click on Virtual Machines, and then download the Virtual Box from here. Now, once you do it, just simply open the install and open the Virtual Box of Oracle. Once you do it, you just simply need to hit on this option of open and open the image of Kali that you have downloaded. And once you do it, you just simply need to right click on there and hit on this option of start to start using the Kali without actually installing the OS. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.